Good morning. So next question is uh, December 2019 question paper, question number 9. Okay, perspective projection of a square prism. So here the square prism is side 40, height 60, with its base on the ground. Okay, I will show you the 3D image. So this is the base. A, B, C, D is the base. Okay, so this is A, B, C, D is the base. A, B, C, D is the base. Okay, so you can see this A, B, C, D is the base. So this square prism is resting on, this is the ground plane, this plane is the ground plane, and this square prism is resting on its base A, B, C, D on its ground plane, and such that one of its rectangular face is parallel to and 10 mm behind the picture plane. One of its rectangular face, see this ABQP is the rectangular face. That face is parallel to the picture plane. So this is the picture plane. This perpendicular plane is the picture plane, and this distance is it is given as 10 mm behind the picture plane. So this distance is 10 mm behind the picture plane. So this distance is, so this much distance, this distance is 10. Okay, so this distance is 10 mm behind the picture plane, and this ABQP is parallel to the picture plane, and this ABCD is the base. The square prism is resting on its base on the ground plane. Then next is the station point. Station point means the viewing point. So this point is the station point. This station point is 50 mm in front of the picture plane. So this distance is this distance from picture plane to this point, this distance is 50. Okay, 50 mm in front of the picture plane and 80 mm above the ground plane, and this station point is, this distance is 80. Ground plane to station point, so this distance is 80 mm above the ground plane and 45 mm to the right of the center of the prism, that is the central plane. Okay, so then I will draw the top view and front view of this. So what is the top view? What is the top view of this? So this is the top view position. So this is the top view. This is the top view direction. What is the top view? Top view is actually a square, PQRS. Okay, then what is, this is the front view. This is the front view direction. What is the front view? Front view is actually a rectangle, top view is actually a square. Okay, so I will draw the so I will draw a line. Okay, and okay, so I will draw a line, and then Then I will name this line as picture plane, that is PP. Picture plane. Okay, then I will draw a square. What is the dimension of the square? It is 40 mm. So this is 40, and this is, before that, this distance is from picture plane to this object, this is 10 mm, and the dimension is 40. Okay, so then I will name, see, you can see PQRS is visible, ABCD is invisible. So I will name this points. So this is P bracket A, that means P is visible, A is invisible. Then this is Q bracket B, that means Q is visible, B is invisible, PQ. Then R bracket C, R bracket C, and finally S bracket D, S bracket D. Okay, then so this is the top view. Here once again please check. So from the top view you can see the picture plane as a line. So this is the picture plane, so that's why I draw a line here. Okay, then from that line draw the top view of the object. It is at a distance of 10 mm behind the picture plane. So you can see 10 mm, this distance is 10. You will see a square of dimension 40 by 40. Okay, then the next step is I will draw the front view. So front view is actually a rectangle. Okay, front view I will draw two lines. So this one line represents the ground plane and second line represents the horizon plane. Okay, so before that you just add these two values, 80 plus 50. Okay, so you will get 130. So this distance is from picture plane, draw a line. First you draw a line. Okay, so this distance is greater than 130. That means you can take this as 150. Okay, no problem. Okay, this value is greater than 130. So where 130 means this station point above ground plane 80, station point in front of picture plane 50. Add these two values, 80 plus 50. So this distance will be greater than that 80 plus 50. Okay, and name this line as ground plane. So this is actually ground plane. Name this plane as ground plane. Okay, then draw another line above ground plane. And that distance is actually 80 mm. 80 mm above the ground plane. See, this line represents the horizon plane. It is at a distance of 80 mm above the ground plane. So this is 80. Okay, and name this plane as horizon plane. It's a drawing of horizon plane. Okay, this plane as called a horizon plane. Okay, then project this top view. So this is the top view, and project this top view. Project this top view to the ground. Okay, so So I will draw a line here. Okay, so this is the height of this square prism, that is 60 mm. Okay, so this length, this height is 60. See, this height is actually 60. This height, this is the front view height, so this is actually 60. This height is actually 60. Okay, and then name this. Okay, when you look from the front view, you can see P, Q, A and B. All other points are invisible. Okay, in the top side you can see P and Q. Okay, so you just mark points on the top view. So here this is P. P is visible, S is invisible, Q is visible, R is invisible. Okay, so I will mark here. So this is this name of this point as P dash bracket S dash. That means P is visible, S is invisible in the front view. Okay, then here the next is Q is visible. So you can see Q is visible, R is invisible. Q is visible, R is invisible. So here mark here Q dash bracket R dash. Q is visible, R is invisible. So that is the top point, P, Q, R, S. Okay, completed. Then in the bottom you can see A is visible, D is invisible, B is visible, C is invisible. Okay, so name this point as A dash bracket D dash, A dash bracket D dash, A dash bracket D dash, and this point is B dash. You can see B dash bracket C dash. The point is very important, B dash bracket C dash. Okay, so now I draw this is the top view. Okay, in perspective this is the top view, so I will write here TV. This is the top view. Okay, so this is the top view, and this is the front view. Okay, this is the front. Then I will draw the central plane. So central plane is where is the station point? 45 mm to the right of the center of the prism. So first you find the center of the prism. So for finding the center of the prism, draw the diagonal. Okay, you will get the center. So this is the center. Okay, from center to the right side, 45 mm to the right of the center of the prism. Okay, so draw a line. So draw a line here. Draw a line here. Okay, so this distance is 45. Okay, and name of this line as central line. That is called central line. Okay. So this line is actually called a central plane. Okay, so station point is actually in the central plane. Okay, so where is station point? 50 mm in front of the picture plane. So I will draw the top view of the station point. It is 50 mm in front of the picture plane. Okay, so I will mark a point on the central plane which is at a distance of 50 mm in front of the picture plane. 50 mm in front of the picture plane. So 50 mm in front of the picture plane. Okay, so station point is 50 mm in front of the picture plane, and this is top view, so I will name this as SP. Okay, so that is the top SP. Then where is the front view of the station point? Front view of the station point is 80 mm above the ground plane, and it will be on the horizon plane, and it will be on the central plane. So where is the intersection of central plane with the horizon plane? So here this. So I will mark a point here, and I will mark here SP dash. Dash means that is the front view. So SP dash is the front view of the station point, and SP is the top view of the station. Okay. So now all the, as per the dimension, we have completed the drawings. Then next is construction. So in the first part is from SP from a station point, join all the corners of the to the top view. That is the first step. So how many corners are there? 4. So from SP, join all the corners. Similarly, next is from SP dash, join all the corners in the front view. Okay. Then I will find the first point. So here, when I draw SP to the top view points, these lines are called visual rays. It will touch the picture plane. That point is called piercing points. So I will mark the names of the piercing points. See what is the name of this point? It is A and P. So this point is marked as A1 or P1. Simple. A1 comma P1. This is A1 comma P1. So then this point is, see what is the name of this point? SD. So this point is S1 comma D1. S1 comma D1. It's simple, very simple. S1 comma D1. Okay. Then this is Q and B. So this point is Q1 B1. Q1 comma B1. Q1 comma B1. Q1 comma B1. Okay. And then this point is RC. So this is R1 C1. This is R1 comma C1. R1 comma C1. R1 comma C1. Okay. Then next is first you draw a line from this A1 P1. It will touch SP dash P dash. So here SP dash P dash, and it will touch here SP dash A dash. Okay. So this point is called capital P, and this point is capital A. Okay. Then I will dark this AP. Okay. Then next line is S1D. Okay. So I will extend. I will draw a line from S1D1. It will touch SP dash S dash. Okay, so this is SP dash S dash, and it will touch SP dash D dash. So where is SP dash D dash? So okay, so this is the name of this point as, this point is S, capital S. And this point is D. Okay, you will get SD. Then next is Q1 B1. So from from q1 b1 draw line. It will first it will touch sp dash q dash, okay, and then it will touch sp dash b dash, okay. So name of this point as b, this is b, this point is b, and this point is q, this point is q, this point is q, okay. This point is q. Then finally r1 c1, so it will touch here, okay, and okay. So this point is C, this point is C, and this point is R, this point is R, okay. You will get all the points, okay. Then I will join all the outer points, so from P to S, okay, then from S to R, that is the next outer point, dark it, okay. Then R to C, then this R to C, okay. Then next is C to B, C to B, then B to A, B to A, okay. So now outer points completed. Then I have to complete all the edges. See how many edges in a square prism? Top PQRS 4 edges, base ABCD 4 edges, then vertical edges 4. So 4 multiplied by 3, 12. So total edges. So first I will check the base the top PQRS. See here this PQ, see you can see this PQRS. So PQ and QR is actually incomplete. So I will look from this point SP to this top view. So in that direction, this is the PQ, so PQ is visible and QR is visible from SP. This edge is visible, this edge is visible. So I will draw this PQ as dark line, okay, PQ is dark line, and QR also dark line. That means that is visible. That's so the top face is completed. Then this bottom face, that is ABCD. So check ABC. So CD and AD incomplete. Okay. So look from this point. Okay. So the incomplete edges are CD and AD. So look from this SP. So CD and AD are opposite side to this viewing point. So that means that is invisible. Okay. That means that is invisible. Okay, I will dotted line. Okay, Then similarly D to C. D to C. Okay. Then next is the vertical edges. So how many vertical edges? AP, BQ, CR and DS. So AP is completed, but BQ is incompleted. So BQ is visible, yes. From SP, this is BQ, it is visible. So draw dark line. So this BQ is visible. Then CR is already completed. Then next is SD. What about SD? SD is invisible. So that means dotted line. Okay. So this is the perspective view. This is the perspective view of square prism. Okay. So once again I will draw the top view. So top view is actually a square. So I will draw the top view of dimension. You know what is the dimension? The side of this square is actually 40. So this dimension is 40. This is a square, so this side is also 40. Okay. Then when I draw the top view, this from picture plane to this rectangular face, it is 10 mm, and this rectangular face is parallel to the picture plane. It is already given. So this distance is 10 mm. From picture plane to this rectangular face, this is actually 10 mm. This distance is 10. This distance is 10. So I will draw the top view first. Then I will draw the front view. So what is the shape of the front view? Front view is actually a rectangle of size 60 mm. Okay. So I will draw a rectangle of size 60. You can see I will draw a rectangle of size 60 mm. Then I will draw the ground plane and picture plane, horizontal plane. It is 80 mm above the ground plane. Okay. So 60 by, what about this dimension? This is 40. Okay. So top view is a square of dimension 40. Front view is a rectangle of dimension 60 by 40. Okay. Then I will mark the central plane. So where is the position of the central plane? It is at a distance of 45 mm from the center. So this is 45. Then I will mark the top view and front view of the station point. It is 50 mm in front of the picture plane and 80 mm above the ground plane. Okay. Then join SP with the top view, SP dash with the front view. Then project the piercing points. It will intersect these lines, and you mark PQRS ABCD. Then join all the outer points, and then complete the all edges. It is visible or invisible. Okay. So complete or mark all the dimensions. That is very important. So this is the perspective view. Okay. So this is the final view. This is the perspective view of a square prism, which is resting on its base on the ground plane, and one rectangular face is parallel to the picture plane. Thank you.